Hello everyone, welcome to part 64 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the product listing module, and we are going to embed the listing page design in this video, and we'll show the category products. Okay, so let's start. So in the last video we have seen that we able to create the route, we able to create the function, we able to fetch the category IDs, like for the main category ID as well as its subcategory IDs we able to fetch along with the category details. But now we are going to fetch the product details, we are going to fetch the products of that category. Okay, and for that I'm going to disable this one, and here I'm going to do dollar category products. I will make one more variable here, like that is the category products. It means that we are going to fetch all the products of this category that the user open. Product model, we are going to fetch the product from the product model, and then see what we are going to use. We are going to use here wherein. Wherein means more than one. We are going to have the category ID can be more than one. See, there are three IDs that are coming here, 167. So we are going to fetch the products from all three IDs. So that's why we are using the wherein. Okay, wherein category ID, and here we are going to add all the category IDs that we are going to fetch. Okay, so for that we are going to add, we are getting here in cat IDs. Okay, category details cat IDs, this one, dollar category details, and then the cat IDs. Okay, so cat ID is this one. Okay, we are going to do like this. Okay, so it means all the three IDs we are going to compare with the category ID. So we are going to fetch the products of all these three IDs. Okay, so now we are one more where status is 1. See, status must be 1 for the products, otherwise we are not going to display. Okay, status must be 1 like this. Okay, so and after that we are going to use the get and then to array. So we can check this one. Now I'm going to use this one once again for displaying the category products are coming or not. So let's see, refresh. Okay, now we need to add the product model as well. We're going to add the product model here, and now see, now we able to fetch all the products of the category. 4 products we able to fetch for the main category. Okay, all the products that is come under the main category. Okay, so all the products are added by the super admin as well. You can see admin type, super admin, super admin, super admin, super admin. All the products have been added by the super admin. No vendor not added so far, but in future we are going to add the products from the vendor as well. Okay, so all the information of the products are coming. So now we are going to use this one in our listing page. So we are going to, I am now going to comment this one, and we are going to add here return view in front, in products folder, in front under products folder, and then we are going to create one listing blade file, listing.blade.php file, in which we are going to pass this one. This one is the category details, and another one is the category products. Okay, fine. Now see, now we are going to create this listing blade.php file, and we are going to create under XAMPP htdocs my folder here, ecom 9 resources, views, front. Okay, so there we are going to create one folder here in which we are going to create the listing blade file. That folder will be products folder. Okay, in products folder we are going to add the listing blade file, we are going to add the detail blade file, we can add the card blade file, all the files that are related to the products. Okay, so in this file in Mac we can create the file like this, new terminal add folder and touch command. Then after in this one we are going to create the listing.blade.php file. Okay, so we will go inside the folder, file has been created. In Windows you know that you need to go inside the folder and then you can right click, then add the new file and then rename that file to the listing.blade.php file. Okay, so this extension you can make listing.blade.php file for that. So now we are going to open this one, listing.blade.php file, and we need to attach that front design that we have created in index.blade file as well. You can see this is the front design, front layout and extend content. We can copy and paste here, and here we can add this section to add the front design. This one we have added the front design. So the inner portion content we will copy from our template, from this file. This is the middle content. See here, I want to tell you, this is the header content, this is the footer content. Like if we are going to open the home page as well, like if I will open the home page, static home page, then you will see, you can able to see the difference here. See here, both are same, header is same, so header will remain the same for all the pages, whether it is index, listing, detail, card. Okay, so this is the header that we are going to make same both for listing and index. Okay, this one. And after that, this content we are going to separate content here. We can show the category images, category banners, then the category listing, then category filters. Okay, and after that, this one is also same for all pages. Footer, this is the part of the footer, and if you will check in home page as well, this is the part of the footer. Okay, so this one we will remain same for all the pages. Okay, so now here we have already added the header and footer. So middle content we need to copy from the listing.html file. We open that file in the last video, downloads folder, open your template that you have downloaded in the few videos back. Okay, so now this one, listing.html file, this is the file. Okay, no need to open this file. Go to close this file. Okay, so we are going to here. Okay, so now see here, we can do like this, so that we must know that which part we see. Header is already there, header is not required. This div and this div, footer is also not required, footer is already there. So only this part we are going to copy, these two parts. And after that, what this one, quick view models, these are models, quick view model, this one we can add later on as well. Okay, so don't worry about these models, these we can add on later as well. Okay, and we can check the functionality of the listing page once again. Okay, this kind of design it is. Okay, so no issue. First we are going to copy this middle content, this one. Later on we will see that what is left, then we are going to work on that one as well. But now see this one, from here to here, this content we will left the footer as well as the header, and middle content we can copy and will paste here. Okay, now it seems to be fine. Okay, so now it's fine. This one, we can make it like this. Okay, so now see, I'm going to refresh and we'll see that the page is coming or not, that particular page. Okay, so that refresh, and you can see we able to get the page in our Laravel. Okay, see here, we able to fetch the page in our Laravel website. These images are not coming, but rest of the page is coming fine, you can see. Okay, but we are going to show the actual images now, so don't worry, don't set the path for these images. We are going to show the actual images, but one thing we need to do, there are two layouts here, you can see there are two layouts, but we are going to show this layout, this main layout. We're going to show, this is the grid layout, this is the list layout, so we are going to show the grid layout. So open the file, one file that I have tested at my end. We need to open this one, and I'm going to search for the grid. I'm going to check here once. That is the grid anchor. We're going to search here in this file app.js. I'm going to search in complete website. Yeah, here it is, app.js. Okay, so here are two files. Now the thing is that we want to make the grid layout active all the time. So for that, we want this class to be active by default. Its classes must get active by default. So one thing is that in listing blade file, we can make this one active, remove this one class active, and put it here. So the first time it will highlight this one always, okay, not this one. And the next change we are going to do here, we are going to add the grid class, grid style. We are going to add every time when our jQuery loads, okay. And along with we are going to remove this list style, okay. List style we are going to remove, and grid style we are going to add. So now see, we are going to refresh this page, and here you can see the grid layout is coming here. Grid layout is highlighted here instead of the another layout, instead of that list layout, okay. So grid layout is coming by default, okay. So you can also do this change at your end, and if you have any confusion, you can surely contact me. And now see, now we are going to make these products dynamic, okay. So for that, and one more thing we want to do in this page, see this, these are the filters. So we want to bring them from the another page, so because we want the less data in our listing page. So if we want to work on the filters, then we will open the filters blade file. If we want to work on the listing products, then we will open the listing blade file. So that, so we want to make it separate. So from here we are going to fetch this browse category. I'm going to search here, and we'll create a separate file for it. See, this is the part browse category. So yeah, fetch categories from root. So this one, so this one complete, we are going to put in the separate file. And for that we are going to create one more file, that is touch filters.blade.php file, that we are going to insert inside the products folder only, okay. So now I'm going to open that filters.blade.php file, and going to enter this one here like this. So this one we're going to add. Okay, so now I'm going to include here, yeah, this one, yeah, that comes under front, then products, and then filters. Check once that it is fine, same page will get display, okay. So that's fine. So all the left filters as well as this listing, all is coming fine. We can compare with our listing page as well. So fine. Okay, so now we are going to make these products dynamic, and we have that category products. Okay, so we are going to add the for each loop here, and just check once that where this for each loop comes for the product item content. I think this is, yeah, this is repeating, so our for each loop will come up here for each dollar category products, dollar product. I'm going to remove all three, just one div is fine in for each loop. So we will first check with the product name. We are going to make it actual product name that is coming in that dollar product. Okay, dollar product name. We're going to check now, refresh it. So product name is coming red casual t-shirt, arrow casual t-shirt, blue t-shirt, green t-shirt, so it is coming fine. Now we are going to display the image so that it will look good. Link we will not do right now because we have not created the detail page yet. Once we will create the detail page, then we will provide the link to it. Okay, but the images we can show the images here. Okay, so we need to fetch the product image path first of all, and the if image path is coming with the image, with the product image, then we are going to show the image, otherwise we will show some dummy image. Okay, so that code we are going to add now. Dollar product image path, and here I'm going to add the front images, product underscore images, small. Okay, insert small. Now we are going to fetch here product underscore image. Okay, so this one we are going to use here if condition to check that whether the image exists or not. Okay, so first thing is we are going to check whether this image exists, image is coming from the database or not. It must not be empty. Dollar product image, this one. And the second condition is we want to check that file exists or not. Okay, this file exists, this file, okay, with this path. If it exists, then we are going to display the product image, actual product image. Okay, otherwise some dummy image. Here we have the dummy image as well in images, product, sorry, not here, in public, sorry, here, checking the wrong here. Okay, in public, front images, product images, small, and here is the no image.png. So this one we are going to display if the image does not exist. Here we need to display the correct path for both front images, then product underscore images. let's go, then no image png. Okay, so we need to so do like this set. Okay, so now it is fine. So here we are already having that product image path that we can display here. Now we are going to check once that the images are coming here or not. We are going to refresh here and see images are coming. Okay, so all 4 images are coming, and here we have opened the men category, so all the products, t-shirts product have come. Okay, so one thing we are going to do, see under men there are 2 categories here. You can see under clothing, under men there are 2 categories, t-shirt and shirt. So we are going to open one of the categories. Shirt does not have any product, so we want to add one product of shirt so that we can able to compare, we can able to check the main category. Men must have both the shirt as well as the t-shirt. Okay, that thing we can only do if we will add one shirt product. Okay, so we will quickly add one shirt product here. Catalog, products, add product. Okay, and this time we will going to add the shirt. You can set any brand. Blue t-shirt we are going to add this one. These are coming because I have recently added. Okay, that's why. So image also I have done another, so we can use this image, and that is fine. So some description, see we can get the description from this one. We can enter. Okay, so that it will have some kind of description that we can show. Fine, and submit. And some issue is coming, data too long for column description. Here we must check that in products table we must have taken the test product description. Where is the description? In the here it is. So this is the wrong worker, so we will change its data type to test. Okay, that's why we not able to save its data. Okay, also few more columns we need to update. We have added the wrong column last time when we have jetted that table with the migration command. See here, product price, product discount, that must be in float, and that product weight, that must be in int. Okay, so we will also quickly update these columns that are required to column, because otherwise they will create issue in future. See, I'm going to make it float for this one. Where is the float? Here it is, float for product price, and also float for product discount, and int for product weight. Okay, so admin type, product name, code, color, price, weight, product image, video, description we are make it test, rest everything is fine. Okay, now see yeah, now that product we will try again to add, and okay, refresh this one. I think we need to add again. Yeah, we need to add again the shirts, arrow, image we are going to add. This time we are going to copy once again. this time it must allow to add, submit, and now see this product has come up. Okay, blue shirt. So now if we will open that shirts category, I'm going to refresh it, and you can see the product is coming here. And if I will open the t-shirt category in clothing, under clothing I'm going to open that t-shirt, okay, then only t-shirts will come, okay, no shirt will come. So if I will open that men category, that is the main category, okay, men, so it will open all the t-shirt as well as the shirt. You can see both t-shirt and shirt is coming under the men category. Okay, so now we can also update this one product code, and we can show the color there. See, we have displayed this product code, and also we can display the description. See here, at the top, we can add here we will display the product code. And here we can display the product color as well. So last one we can remove, and it does not require any separator, so that also we can remove. So here the description will come, so the product description will come up here. And the last one, that is prices. See, this review we are going to add later on, so we can disable this review part. We will do this functionality later on, then we will enable. And this prices we have already done in index.blade file, so we can copy the prices from there. See here, we fetch from the get discount price, and this complete. Okay, we can just copy, and we can replace this one is same. Okay, so we can replace this div. Okay, it will save our time. Fine. So only thing, be careful with this one, that is same. Okay, so now we are going to check here, and some issue is there because model, we want to include the model as well in the same way like we have done the index.blade file. Here we need to include the model as well. Now refresh again and see the products are coming. Okay, so all the products are coming here, both t-shirt as well as shirt, along with the details. See the code, color, that is the product name, and that is the price. Okay, price after the deduction. Okay, so some is having no discount and some is having the discount. Okay, so that is fine. Images are also coming, and other things we are going to do in the next video. We will continue working on the listing page, and we'll make we will code further. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.